Protect your home and garden from unwanted guests, mosquitoes, pigeons, monkeys, and more. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into some practical tips and tricks on safeguarding your home and garden from pesky intruders like mosquitoes, pigeons, monkeys, and more. Let's get started. 1. Install fences and barriers. First up, let's tackle mosquitoes. While mosquito repellent plants are a good start, they're not foolproof. That's why I recommend installing mosquito nets for your windows and doors. Check out these examples. The best foolproof method is to install mosquito nets for windows and doors. Some examples of mosquito nets for windows and doors are mosquito nets for uPVC windows, mosquito nets for uPVC doors. Installing nets is the best method for keeping away 100% mosquitoes entering into your home. 2. Anti-bird netting. For keeping pigeons, monkeys, and other critters at bay, consider anti-bird netting. Farmers use it to protect crops, and you can use it to safeguard your garden too. 3. Trim tree branches. Monkeys, squirrels, and even snakes can use tree branches to access your home. Trim those branches to reduce the risk of intruders. 4. Motion-activated lights. Keep your property well lit with motion-activated lights. They're great for deterring nighttime intruders, especially if you live in a remote area. 5. Scare tactics. Hang shiny objects such as aluminium foil strips or CDs in your garden to scare away pigeons. Motion-activated scarecrows or ultrasonic devices can also deter both pigeons and monkeys. You can even try placing large-scale replicas of animals strategically in your garden. 6. Seal entry points. Close off any small openings in your home's exterior to prevent pests like mosquitoes and snakes from entering. 7. Remove stagnated water. Don't forget to eliminate stagnant water sources in your garden. This is crucial for stopping mosquito breeding. 8. Get a dog. Last but not least, consider getting a well-trained dog. Not only are they great companions, but they can also serve as both a deterrent to intruders and a natural predator to pests like monkeys and pigeons. By implementing these tips, you can better protect your home and garden from mosquitoes, pigeons, monkeys, and other unwanted guests. Remember to stay vigilant and update your security measures as needed. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.